We have flashbangs on too. No flashbangs, but you can. Are you talking about like the M18 smoke grenades? What? Are you talking about the M18s? Yeah, those are fine. As long as you don't throw them in a building. If you throw them in a building, then I'll yell at you.
I'll yell at you too.
Quinn. My yelling means more.
What the combination of our yellings?
Yeah. I'm gonna team kill all of us right at the beginning. Do you remember that in Call of Duty 4 you could do the hardcore search and destroy, you could kill your teammates, and I just shoot an RPG at the ground and it just would kill everybody immediately. That's all I remember.
I didn't have an Xbox back then, so.
No, I played Call of Duty 4 all the way into Call of Duty 6.
Yeah.
I didn't buy my World at War.
That's hilarious, bro.
What's that? Yeah, I'll play with myself. You can play with my sidearm today. I winked at you, but you can't see.
I wink back, you may be able to see.
That's all. I forgot my clear lenses.
I'm already fogged.
He didn't kick me out, you're good one. 5 seconds.
There's a bunker on this corner here.
Let's shoot through that.
I'm scared of the job, baby.
Frank, now I realize you have a forward start. I don't like it. Because before I used to know what his gun sounded like.
Yeah, that loud, high pitch.
Like mine.
Yeah. I threw the cack on there too, so it's super quiet.
Not as quiet as it could be.
That's true. Hey, the other side of the next building up, you got a bunch of guys, alright? Can you see the corner of the last building? Because that's where they keep poking out. I don't want to jump out and get in your way.
Come on.
What do we got out here?
Fuck, this nice now.
This shit keeps dropping like a couple 100 feet out. Hey Quinn.
What's up?
Stay farther that way.
Alright. Alright, let me know if they start coming up.
Uh-huh.
Are they on that corner?
They were, yeah. I engaged like 2 guys there, got 1.
Yeah, there's some.
Move, dude. Move! There were probably 6 guys that went to that building.
I don't see anything on the inside.
I know. Changing.
What do you got? Jacob. Preston, is there anyone live?
Let me know when you're moving. All right. They're inside of that building now. I got you right. Uh-huh.
Frank, is that white building clear?
Which one?
Right side.
I don't know.
Down the left side, down the left.
They're both down. They're both down.
They're both down?
There's two ran. I got both of them in the slide.
Alright. I only saw two more. You can come up. Yeah, do that. Just Mike's down over there. Don't shoot him. You want to go in and clear it?
Let's go wide. Go wide. I'm gonna go across.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
That's good! Good size!
Yeah, we're up here now. Next round, or you mean next, like...
No, like, after 15 minutes.
Alright.
That was fun.
Your back's all painted up.
Oh, what?
Your back's all painted up.
I know. They'll never see me coming, Frank.
Yeah.
You need to put sucking.
Like, I wasn't even sure if it hit the gun. It was like my hand was like spread. I was like,
I'll never forget that hand shot I had on you that one day. I forget.
so bad.
What gun was I using? Was that my soul or my...
Probably. That was back during that time period. You shoot me in the hand like every fucking day I'd come. I'd be like, stop it, sir. He's like, I'm aiming for your hand, Deke. I'm like,
Stop it.
Frank, call your hit.
He's hurt. He hit.
I don't think you were here
Oh,
that day,
dude, that
but
went all in my pocket.
when Rob's still in the shop, we were playing out there, and I think I was reffing. And one dude said, if I can hit one of these kids with the snowball, I said, if they call it, yeah, it'll count. And then he ran up, he pegged this little kid, and the kid went, oh, hit!
Legit got a snowball kill.
Oh, yeah, he ran up with a big old snowball and just nailed some little kid.
Yeah, my kind of
What are you doing?
No.
No, seriously, what are you doing?
There's like a little pucker thingy that rear. Oh, there we go. No, you can't really see it, but there's like a little strap thing that your hose can go through.
Oh,
Is that big
yeah.
enough for...
I got it going through one already.
I mean, I've
No, you didn't. It wasn't going through it.
No, there's three. Top, side, side.
Start jamming in here. The shells won't eject all the way. You really got to pop it to get it to eject out.
I'm sure you could, like, cut this and mod it, or put a nicer one, or a big one.
Oh, let's not take out these things and make it real. I got some multi-plan.
You're kind of missing the gun part of that whole system.
Once I show all the other shit that you can see.
He did
first
what
man.
I used to do when I first had my saw. We put in gas, so I just take and I drop it.
ammunition
and
first,
I
gun
run up
second.
front,
God.
and I get there so much
How
faster.
are you supposed to shoot if you don't have
It was pretty cheap, and I yelled
buy
people. So.
If you do turn your board on,
Now if you need to transition.
I don't think it has to be. this is my stop.
I'm staying back here for it.
Out of your bag. Crap. I'm making it right.
Go, go, go!
Mommy?
One in that building and two on the outside, right in front of Bobby.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was a gun hit.
you heard it. Oh!
Mm-hmm.
Watch, he's outside.
Yeah, he's on the corner.
I like this spot, but
Hey, Bobby! Oh, I didn't see that guy.
yeah, that's the guy I was trying to talk about. Bobby! Can you get that guy that's on the corner on the opposite side of the spools? Tuck your foot in. Oh, never mind.
He almost put his hand up into my line of fire.
I want to shoot it to air rounds, but I don't have any more.
Did you use it?
I haven't used it yet, no.
Oh, you're saying that's your last one.
I'm not going to use it on this field. I'll use it on Tombstone or Woods.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I cracked the RMR.
How?
TAA.
No. It's not big. He was already beat up.
I was wrecking kids there.
That didn't hit me.
Ah.
I like it. I like the Manta.
Yeah.
Actually, the green and the Vulcan battery actually looks good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, he's hitting the corner now.
I'm hopping inside for a minute.
I was trying to get a V-light, but
Sit on that corner.
he's drilling this corner. He's on the left side of the door now. He just walked back to the right. I think we can go up. Hmm?
I don't see him anymore.
You want me to cover you or you want me to come up too?
Let's go.
Is he still there?
Watch it, I'll look at the walls. One down on the opposite side of the school.
Mike, next building up, outside.
One down. Frank, wait a minute. Wait.
Wait, let me go stand there to call him out.
Yeah, hey, stay against the net. Shit.
That was awesome.
I didn't hold it up on enough.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious. He's watching the corner right now.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
They're up on that corner still.
On the corner, he's just taking his gun out. When you were around that building, I was like shooting at him from this side. I ran out. I was like, I am out, right? Because I'm not used to it yet. So I took the mag out, I threw it against the net, and just put a new one in. You guys finally got back?
Yeah. Finally. How many elk cans do you have, Quinn?
One.
Oh.
I have 3 right here. One mine and 2 used to be mine. Yeah. Good job.
Nice strand dog.
Good sounding. I don't know why you're touching it.
Sir. That's, you have your own pistols.
Is that even loaded?
It's too cold.
No, I am too low.
CO2, Frank. CO2.
Quinn was telling me a CO2 mag a while ago. I should have took him up on. Oh shit, that's been on.
Oh, that's been walked out.
Ask him. Was it
I shot 14 of them off.
I didn't think they push up that fast, so my spot was really bad.
You should have seen me. I had all the Justin's rounds too because he wasn't using his wall. And literally I would just rack it, drop them out,
Put a new one in.
put a new one in and just fire. I shot off half mine in like the first.
How far? What's your like max range with those things?
On warm days, it was kind of cold down there.
Yeah.
On warm days, I could sail them all the way into the woods, like far into the woods. Ben sighted his 320 in for about 350. 350 yards.
Yeah. Yards?
I had a lot, but now I don't have
I missed it too. I just caught her.
Did you like the little smoke?
Dude, that was awesome.
It's a lot cooler at night.
Yeah, it does. Probably see nods too. Coming in. Yeah. That was hard.
1 minute. Oh. Hey, Hunter, move up. There's not a car. Keep going. If I get shot by my teammate, I'm like,
Yeah, I know.
there's 2 back center.
Yeah, hit. Ooh. Is that you that shot me?
I don't know, might have been.
Whoever it was, it hit me like right between the glasses and my helmet.
I got hit right like in the side of the glasses earlier. I was like,
I just like shot like a line of people here.
yeah, they were all just kind of standing out in the open.
No, they were in cover. I got this one guy, he walked into my BBs right at the window. Like I shot and then he walked right into it. I was like, heck yeah. You made it between the wire and the net. That was kind of cool. Yeah, I thought it was gonna hit the wire and just like explode.
Check out this visibility.
Yeah, I'm
see
all
anything.
fogged up too.
I'm fogging so badly.
You probably have the best airflow in there too.
No, these are the worst.
Oh,
My other ones are much better. It's just that like,
dude,
it's
I got
much better
hit.
for snow because it's not nearly as bright.
That might be.
Probably is.
Oh. Is this real?
What, my yacht? Yeah.
No, the
The cry drill? I forgot it on my yacht now. Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
How much do those things cost? Like 500?
Quite a bit. Not that much. Ian, where are you going?